We're here today at our West Barnstable project. This is an exciting project for us. This is an old family friend of Jen's. The homeowner's parents renovated this house way back in the day.
My dad bought it, I think, in the mid-70s. He and my mom restored it. It was in terrible condition.
Now we're getting the opportunity to finish the project that her parents weren't able to finish. Let's take a look inside.
Little bit of a problem.
What is the problem here, John? John found something in the panel. It's gonna potentially cost the homeowner a little bit.
I knew that they would do the historic detail that we needed. It was great to work with them.